Welcome back. A dead body of a labourer was found after 2 days floating in Mandovi River. Khandeshwar Ramudeva had drowned in Mandovi River while cleaning a cement pipe. Khandeshwar drowned on Tuesday midnight. Workers of ACC Cement said they would have rescued the deceased, but some workers refused to give proper information about drowning of their co-worker.
Khandeshwar Ramudeva got drowned on Tuesday midnight. He was cleaning a cement pipe. Some workers informed that Khandeshwar slipped his leg off the edge at Panaji Jetty. Some workers have blamed another group of workers who were present at the site. Co-workers of Khandeshwar said if the workers had dispatched proper information of the person drowned, they would have saved his life. Khandeshwar was a resident of Maharashtra working in Goa for a cement company.
काम चालू होत असताना ते गाडीची वॉश करत होता. वॉश करत असताना तिकडे ते वरनं खाली पडल्याला ते बाजूला काम करत असणारे ते सर्व बघितल्यानंतर ते ड्रायव्हर समोर झोपलेला होता आणि ड्रायव्हरला जाऊन सांगितलं की तुमचा माणूस तिकडे पडलेला आहे. असं म्हणल्याच्या नंतर पोलिसला कंप्लेंट केली. पोलीस आणि ते फायर स्टेशनवाले आल्याच्या नंतर ते विचारले कुठे पडला सांगा. तर त्या टाइमला ते खोटं बोलायला लागले. ते आम्ही पडलेलं बघाय नाही, इकडे थांबला होता, असा आवाज आला म्हणून आम्हाला चेक झाला. त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही असं नंतर ते असं खोटं बोलायला लागले. त्याच्यामुळे ते न हुडकता ते तसंच ते आलेले वापस गेले.
Khandeshwar's body was found floating in Mandovi River on Thursday. Omkar Falari for Prudent.
All Goa Bhajan competition was held at Kala Academy on Thursday. Many groups from different parts of the state participated in the competition. Have a look. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.